Alright, so we're gonna attempt to climb this. It's pretty freaking steep, but with Trusty Rusty's crawler gears now and weighted differential covers, I think we'll be alright. Just gonna make it. Alright, now see if we can come back down. Nope. But yeah, got crawl gears, got 20-gram diff covers front and back now. So let's climb her one more time. I really love the smoothness of the crawler gears. I got a whole transmission, and the transmission has ball bearings in it. So nice and smooth. I don't get so much of the torque twist. And then there was one more spot I was working on too. It's kind of interesting. It's kind of a sharp face. So and then we'll just kind of come up here too. Do this one. It seems to help it stick a little bit more on the side hill too. So that's kind of nice. Normally, sitting like that, it would have flopped over without, much promise. Hey, at least that one, it kind of stuck it a little bit. But yeah, definitely worth the investment to get brass weights for it. So next, I got some, what are they? 53 millimeter shocks. The factory ones are 51, so it's not super huge difference. Or 52 millimeter. I guess it is. That's what's coming up next. So, alright, hope you guys enjoyed that severe hill crawl. I mean, it's pretty steep. So, handled it like a champ.